Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, to the honorable judges and the opposite team. I am the Prime Minister from the government team, and I would like to make a statement that this House prefers a world where critical sources are governed by the International Material Agency. Now, before I start, I would like to make a few definitions from the motion. The first definition is critical source. What is critical source? Critical source refers to non-renewable fuel energy essential for global energy security, industrial process, and electricity for generation. Critical sources are formed over millions of years from prehistoric organic matter. So from the name alone, you could tell it's a limited source. International Material Agency is a leading independent bulk raw materials in trading firm specializing in the global sourcing, logistics, and marketing of materials such as cement, bauxite, and coal. Now, what does the IMA have for us? Well, if we want to achieve global economy where everything is stable, competitive, and sustainable, we also need to know how to manage the sources. From the last decade, the government or the international are prioritizing in higher extractive and inefficient system with the sectors such as food, housing, mobility, and energy that is most intensive and environmentally damaging. According to Reuters.com on August 13, 2025, extraction and processed materials are 60% from global greenhouse gas emission. 90% of land-related biodiversity loss and water stress, 40% of particulate matter pollution. It causes unfairness because rich countries are using 6 times more material per capita than low-income countries. And the international government of resources are often overlooked because it seems unimportant. But in reality, it is so important because we need international framework to oversee how resources are extracted, traded, and used. The framework built on principle of equality, transparency, long-term resilience, and we could also propose IMA, the International Material Agency, as the central hub for this effort. Now I'm going to make a few points on why we need to make the International Material Agency or IMA as the central govern of this critical source. The first point is securing supply chains and reducing geopolitical risks. Why does securing supply chains and IMA have anything to do? Because AMA can achieve a concentrated supply. A few regions dominates the mining and processing of critical sources, such as China, with 70% of lithium and cobalt in its mines. The IMA can manage or mitigate the risk of disruption from trade dispute or geopolitical tension. And by securing supply chains, we could achieve the steadiness of the prices. With higher demand but lower supply, the prices might go up or price might spikes. The IMA can track how much a country have and how much a country needs, and it leads to the prevention of the spike, the prevention of the sudden go up of a price. The second point is enhancing transparency and data accuracy. By enhancing transparency, any information or supplies and demand that is often fragmented and is hard to predict, the IMA will offer a reliable, actionable data on material flows, helping to map global risk. And by enhancing transparency, we could achieve a strategic forecasting, where a regular and global reports can tracks how the government plan for future demand surge and reduce vulnerability to sudden price spikes. And the third point is by ensuring fair access and development. By ensuring fair access and development, we could achieve a supporting definition of economics. The IMA research can make a rich nations in the global south build domestic processing capacity, increasing their value and adding contributions and ensuring they are not exploited in the new green economy. In short, international agencies are the best way for the world to move to green energy that is fair, safe, and organized. Without global rivalry, we risk constant trade wars, unpredictable prices, and more damage to environment. The IMA, or the International Material Agency, could make a vital mineral that is often the source of conflict into a tool for global cooperation, and that is one step away from global peace. Essentially, it moves the world away from every country for itself and toward energy security for everyone. That is all from me. Thank you all so much.